Good morning, all. First, type data as per given requirement. And in this practical, we will learn how to create worksheet, then how to rename worksheet, how to enter and edit numerical and text data. Then we will learn about format rows, column, and cells. Then use of AutoFill and other Excel auto features. Then we will use basic formulas and AutoSum. And then we will adjust worksheet appearance using borders, alignment, a number formatting, and then we will save uh, and manage an Excel workbook. Now see, first we will enter the data. Okay. Now see, here we will give roll number 1 to 10. Then please enter 1, 2. Therefore, select 1 and 2 and directly drag till the A up to 8. Okay. This is our use of autofill. That is use of autofill to generate roll numbers from 1 to 10. Now, we will save this worksheet, like save as we will give student marks class. Okay, we will save this. You can rename this sheet number 1 like student marks. Again, you can type here 2026. Okay. Now, roll number, student, computer, drawing, commerce, total, percentage grade. Here, computer is going towards cell D. Therefore, select the boundaries in between C and D and just double click. Therefore, system will automatically adjust the width of column C. Similarly, E and E, E and F, F and G, G and K. Okay. Therefore, make central element, select the entire data, and this is your left hand center, right. We need center, therefore, use center. Again, B and C. Now we will make bold use of bold function for headings. Therefore, click on bold. Again, you can change color also. We will make purple color. Okay. Then, if there is no boundary or border like this, therefore you select only the data range and click on all borders. Okay. Now, here we will find out total in F, percentage in G, and grade in H. Therefore, first select F2 and type equal to sum. Therefore, here system will automatically display sum. Double click on that. Our aim is to find out the addition of computer marks, drawing, and commerce. Therefore, for 78, the address is C2. Therefore, we will write C2 colon. For 75, address is E2. Therefore, E2. Bracket complete. Just press enter. Then select F2 and see your right hand side. There is small plus sign known as fill handle. Just double click on it. You will get the addition of all marks with respect to student name. Then G represents percentage. Therefore, again, type equal to. Based on total is out of 300 marks. Therefore, based on total, we can find out percentage equal to total is F2 slash 300 into 100. And just press enter. You will get marks. Therefore, again, our aim is to find out the percentage of all remaining students. Therefore, select G2, just double click on that. Therefore, we will get the percentage. Okay. Now, our aim is to find out the grade based on this criteria. Now, see, if percentage is above 80, you will get O grade. In between 70, 80 A, 60, 70 B, 60 or below 60 C. Therefore, here we will select H2, then type formula equal to if Address of percentage is G2 greater than 80, then which grade? O grade, then O grade, then if G2 greater than 70, we can take A grade. If G2 greater than 60, we'll take B grade or remain C. And just press enter. See, for the C here 78.33, that is in between 70 to 80, therefore you will get A grade. Here 68.33 means you here we will get B grade. For 86, answer should be O, A, O, A, again O grade. Here this is in between 60 and 70, therefore we will get B. And 92.67, this cell will display O grade. We will check. Just select A, H2 and just double click on that. See, this is about the how to find out the grade using conditional formula, and this is about the create and formatting worksheets, then how to enter data, entry as well as editing, and use of auto features in MS Excel. Okay, and thus, and based on this, you can create and rename worksheets. You can learn how to enter as well as edit numerical and text data, format rows, column, and cells, and use of AutoFill functions for the requirement. Okay. Now, suppose here percentage here, if you want only one digit after decimal point, therefore select this entire data, format cell. In format cell, here decimal prefix make it 1. Therefore, you will get the decimal number 1 after decimal. If you want 3 digits after decimal point, again select entire data, format cell, make it and click on you will 3. If you want 0 digit after decimal point, therefore select format cell, make it 0 and you will get. Okay. This is about the how to format numbers. Okay. Thus we learn about how to create, how to rename, how to enter as well as edit numerical as well as text data, and uh, how to add this column width. Similarly, you can also add this rows. Okay. Uh, Based on this, we can learn about what is the worksheet, what is the difference between workbook and worksheet, how we can use autofill, what is the meaning of fill handle, then automatic sum, percentage use of different types of formula, okay, and cell formatting, center cell, left and right. Okay, this is about create and formatting worksheet. Thank you so much.